Yes people, we're back. We've got the Mercedes SLC 180. As you can see, it's really dirty. We've not been in a while, so we're going to give it the full shebang, and we've got the full shebang on video for you. Lots of wheel cleaning. We're going to do the snow foam. We've got a nice little surprise for you. We're going to use Alien Magic Purple Haze Snow Foam. We're going to give it the full-on contact wash on the video. But yeah, let's start off with the nitty gritty. Pre-wash by Duel Autocare. This is our go-to pre-wash at the moment. Really happy with it. First of all, we're going to apply the nitty gritty to the whole of the car. Make sure it's all over so we can get all that dirt that's sat on top right off before we do the contact wash. Just makes it a lot safer. It's the ritual for us anyway. Pre-wash, snow foam, contact wash. Give it a dry and we're good to go. Big thank you to everyone watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already. And I've been asking this a lot again, but let me know where you're from in the comments. What city, what town. We'd love to see it. We've had some crazy countries. I didn't think my videos would go this far, but yeah, they're getting there now, so love the support. Time to rinse off the pre-wash. This is the time where we get all the dirt off. Now, the petrol cap. If anyone's got any methods of dodging the water when you spray that petrol cap, make sure to drop it in the comments below. I'm pretty sure there's no way of dodging that. This is the shampoo we're going to do our contact wash with, Bahama Blue by Duel Autocare. One of our favourites at the moment, you can't really beat it. I'm going to make a second mix just for the wheels, because this stuff is really good. Right, so this is the purple haze. It's not the purple haze you're thinking. It's Alien Magic Purple Haze Snow Foam. Tried out all the Alien Magic Snow Foams, every single colour now, and with really good results off every single one. If you want to check out the videos, I've got all sorts of videos of the different colours being used on different kind of cars. The proof's in the pudding, people. Alien Magic never let us down. Big up the boys. Sometimes you get the snow foams that are coloured and they're literally just coloured, they don't do a job. But with Alien Magic we seem to see that every time we've used the coloured ones, they still do just as good of a job as the normal ones. Let me know in the comments if you agree with that. If you don't agree, let me know why you don't agree. Or if you just don't bother with coloured snow foams, just let me know why. Now that the snow foam's been fully applied to the car, we'll just sit and watch it for 5 minutes while it drags all the dirt down before we can contact wash it, just so it's safe and sound. When dealing with customers' cars, you've got to make sure it's safe. That cracking noise in the background then was actually my tripod breaking, so we're going to have to order a new tripod after this video. But yeah, that's the love of the YouTube game, eh? Time to rinse off again, making sure all the snow foam that's been applied to the car is off before we go on to the next stage. The car's already shining before we've even contact washed it, so it's had a pre-wash nitty gritty dual autocare, and it's had Alien Magic Purple Haze Snowfoam. Now we're going on to the contact wash. Thank you for everyone that's still watching, that's here watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and don't forget to drop a like. Time to get the hands wet. We're using a dual autocare mitt with dual autocare Bahama Blue. Lovely combo. Now that the car is safe to get hands on with, we're going to go around the whole car. We just stick to a left to right motion, no swirlies, no circular motions. The last thing I want to do is add swirls to someone's car. I'd never want to add it to my own car, so never mind adding it to someone else's. Can't forget the wheels, so we're going to give them a quick blast for you. Feel like we've cracked the code with this brush. One of our favourite brushes right now. We've only had it a week. I can't stop using it. I've had plenty of these kind of brushes that bend and snap, but this one's really sturdy. Doesn't feel like it's going to break anytime soon. Got to stay true to the Viking brushes. They've been a brand that's been with us from the very start. I like to use these little hand mitts after using the brush, just so you get into everywhere the brush can't. Look at that for a little makeover for you. Nice and shiny again. Customer's going to be over the moon with this. Get ready for the final result of this Mercedes SLC 180. Check out all the grime oozing out of the wheel. I can already see this Mercedes shining after we've washed the shampoo off. Get ready, guys. This is a very important part of the video, so after you've cleaned your car, make sure you go over it and dry it, because I've had lots of people in the comments asking me how do I get rid of watermarks when I finish washing the car. What do I do, because it always dries weird. No, you've got to dry it yourself just to make sure you don't get them watermarks, so you're not ruining your car. We are just in the process of buying an electric dryer. I can't wait to get it so I can show you all. I can't wait to get it just to have a go on it myself. Don't forget to drop a comment where you're watching this video from, what country, what town. Nice and shiny again. Customer's going to be really happy with this one. Looking like a new car from when we pulled up. But thank you for watching, guys. It's been a pleasure. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Lots more to come. I've got a special announcement at the end of this video for you. So I just thought I'd say thank you now. But if you're not subscribing already, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you again on the next video. So talking about the next video, we're going to use Duel Autocare Flex. It's going to be a review video of the product. This one's an amazing product. It's a really good video. See you again next time.